Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble the active wash cart and hose reel. Let's put it together step by step. In the box, you'll find cart frame, reel assembly, 2 wheels, 2 casters, 2 bags of hardware, the crank handle, 4 bolts, and the included 14mm wrench. You'll also want some scissors, and an adjustable wrench could come in handy. First, open up the cardboard boxes and lay out the parts. Next, lift back the handle and snap it into place with the lock pin. Cut the zip ties from the bearing brackets on the reel. Pull the reel pin into the retracted position. Then, holding the bearing brackets together, place the reel on the mounting frame with the brackets on the outside of the frame. Use the 4 included bolts to secure the bearing brackets to the frame. Now, fasten the nuts to the bolts with the included 14mm wrench. The next step is removing the crank pin, sliding the crank onto the shaft, and replacing the pin. Now for the wheels. Remove the wheel shaft pins, slide the wheel axles into the shafts, aligning the slots, then replace the pins. Slide the caster bolts through the slots into the frame and secure them with the cap nuts. Hand tighten or use a 17mm or adjustable wrench. You can use the optional caster gaskets to balance the casters if needed. Finally, remove the plastic rim guards from the reel disc. Your wash cart and hose reel is assembled and ready to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@activeproducts.com. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.